So we're here, another 1850s farmhouse in Ohio, in a county where it was one of the first 250 homes built. This property was an active inn, but then was converted or used primarily as a residence. No one's lived here in many years. Let's head inside and check it out. We're out here chasing history into the darkness in search of adventure and the occasional sunset. So mask up, it's gonna be a wild one. You can see they left a gate open for us.
This ivy is out of control.
This house is completely covered in it.
And look at this fence. It's braided wire twisted together. And then the top railing were on poles like this. But look at this top. It grew into the tree.
It's a beautiful, wet, 60-degree Ohio day. You can see we've got a hole in the floor. And a huge rusted ice chest. The blue is really an awesome color. And you can feel the floor is caving in. That's how you get down into the cellar. Lots of stairs are missing. I'm not going to be going down. And he really recommended to be careful in this room specifically. Fiberglass. There's a skull. The kitchen is still intact. It's full of old vases. This would have been underneath the stairs. There's the old patio door. The curtains are still up. Looks like everything is left from the 70s. The owner actually lives in Wyoming. And he just happened to be at this house today. Or the house next door on the property. What is this? Smucker's Natural Peanut Butter. We got an upstairs. This would have been the main living room. Let's head upstairs. Looks like there was also maybe a fire here at one point. You can totally see right outside the window. Well, it's not a window, but you can see right outside the ceiling. Newspapers, 15 cents. I don't see a year. 1974. There's still a bed. And you can see where animals ate to get in here. Whoever lived here last stored lots of newspapers here. Like thousands of newspapers. You can see the wallpaper. And I can't imagine what it looked like when it was an inn. We've got a Atlas strong shoulder mason jar. We have got a drawer full of dog poop. I'm guessing they might have been hoarders. It's a pretty good sign. Dishes still in the sink. So I think it's that time to get out of here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and as always, be safe out there.